This video is a supplementary tool for the pre-capture sample multiplexing protocol using CeleMag Clean-up Beads for Target Enrichment step. Please have your user manual for Celemics Kit ready when watching this video. Please refer to Step 1, Pre-capture multiplexing of samples in the user manual. CeleMag Clean-up Bead can be replaced with centrifugal evaporator for multiplexing procedure. After library preparation using Celemics Library Preparation Kit, you may combine multiple samples tagged with different indices into groups of 4, 8, or 12. Please note that this video is not intended to be used as a pooling guide for sequencing input. Vortex CeleMag Clean-up Bead to achieve a homogeneous state. Add each DNA library sample to a new 1.5 ml tube according to pre-capture multiplexing guide. Mix it with the same volume of cleanup bead. Mix thoroughly using a vortex mixer and pulse spin down the tube. Incubate at room temperature for 5 minutes. Place the tube on the magnetic separator until the solution is clear, which is about 3 to 5 minutes. Keep the tube on the magnetic separator and discard the supernatant. While keeping the tube on the magnetic separator, add 500 microliters of fresh 80% ethanol to each tube. 180 microliters for PCR tube or 96 well plate. Incubate for 30 seconds at room temperature, then discard ethanol. Repeat wash again, step 7 and 8. Spin down, place the tube on the magnetic separator, and discard residual ethanol. Air dry the sample tube at room temperature for 2 minutes or until residual ethanol evaporates completely. Mix 12 microliters of nucleus-free water to the sample tube and vortex. Pulse spin down and incubate for 2 minutes at room temperature. Place the tube on the magnetic separator until the solution is clear, which is about 3 to 5 minutes. Transfer the 10 microliters of supernatant to a new tube. Proceed right away the next enhanced hybridization of the library steps. If you are not immediately continuing to the next step, store the sample at -20 degrees Celsius.